Hey everyone, welcome to UNIQ Designs. Today we're diving into something really exciting for all you photo editing enthusiasts out there. We're going to explore the Retouch4Me Photoshop panel, a powerful tool designed to make photo retouching faster and easier. Retouch4Me is a powerful AI-driven tool that streamlines image retouching for photographers and designers by automating complex editing tasks with natural, professional results. It's ideal for those looking to save time without compromising on quality, offering features that enhance textures and details in portraits and other images. With options to use as standalone software or as Photoshop plugins, Retouch4Me supports a flexible workflow that fits various project needs. Click on the link given in description. You will be redirected to this page. You can avail free Cloud Retouch bonuses and 20% off for all plugins. Cloud Retouch panel provides access to all AI retouching plugins from Photoshop in two different ways: subscription-based cloud plugins and standalone versions available for purchase. You can subscribe to Cloud Retouch on a monthly basis, or you can purchase credits and one retouch utilize one credit. You can see here all plugins that are available in Retouch4Me Photoshop panel. The prices are mentioned after 20% off, as you can see the regular price as well. There are a lot of other plugins as well for video retouching and much more. Now I'll tell you how to download and install Retouch4Me Photoshop panel for free. Go to Download and select Get at Adobe Exchange. Now click on Open Creative Cloud Desktop app. When the app opens up, click here to install panel. Now it is installing. The installation has been finished now. Open the Adobe Photoshop. Here you can see the Retouch4Me panel. You get 20 free retouches when you signed up. If the panel does not show up, then go to Plugins and here you can see the plugin installed. Now all the things has been set up and we are ready to use plugins. Open the image you want to do retouching. First, I clear you the plugins used and their purpose. Heal plugin is used to remove all the blemishes. Mattifier to reduce the shiny skin. Dodge and burn to smoothen the skin. Portrait volumes to add depth and dimension. Skin tone for color correction. Eye vessels to remove the red veins. Eye brilliance to enhance and brighten the eyes. For whiten the teeth. Fabric plugin is used to remove wrinkles on clothes. And clean backdrop is used to remove the wrinkles and to do cleaning in background. Now I am applying the required plugins according to the image we need. It is processing and taking a little bit time. Wow, that's incredible. You can see the result, it's very impressive. You can also see we got each separate layer of plugin we used in the layer panel and can make adjustment after applying it as well. I am making the group of the plugins I used. Here you can see the result before and after. That's quite impressive. Here is the second image I am using for retouching. You can use and apply the plugin individually as well if you want. Again, I am applying the required plugins after analyzing the image. So, taking its time now, sit back and see the magic happens. I am shocked to see the result as it's unbelievable, and only I can say is, wow, amazing. Comparing the result before and after again. You can control and adjust the plugin in the layer panel after applying, as I told earlier. I am adjusting the mattifier plugin for shiny skin adjustment. Taking in another image and applying the plugins. Let's see the result. It is amazing. You can reapply the plugins on image if the little bit blemishes still remain. Now try plugins on this image. Yes, same result. Excellent. That's all, folks. I hope you liked the video. Click on the link given in description to get free cloud retouch bonuses and 20% off for all plugins for all my followers and subscribers. See you in the next video. Thank you.